Welcome to this concise tutorial on accessing your headers in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn each step necessary to navigate your WordPress site and quickly access your header elements. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, locate the login option positioned prominently at the top right corner of the screen. This placement helps ensure that you can effortlessly find the login function, so take a moment to verify that you're on the correct homepage before continuing. After identifying the login button, click on it to proceed. You will then see an option that reads Continue with Google. Selecting this option allows you to use your Google account credentials for a seamless sign-in process. Once you click on Continue with Google, a pop-up or new window may appear listing your available Google accounts. Choose the account that you wish to use for accessing your WordPress site. This step simplifies the login process by taking advantage of your existing Google login details, so there is no need to remember an additional username or password. Once you have successfully signed in using your Google account, you will be redirected to the WordPress interface where you can manage your website. Take a moment to review the layout, as there is a quick links section designed to help you access various parts of the website efficiently. In this quick links area, search for an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editing environment where you have control over various aspects of your website's appearance and functionality. After you have entered the site editor, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will notice an element referred to as the Document Overview. By clicking on the Document Overview, you open up a panel that provides a summary of all the elements contained on your current page. This feature is particularly helpful when trying to locate specific sections or headers on your website. Within the document overview, there is a further refinement designed to help you see your content structure clearly. Locate and click on the Outline tab. This tab organizes all the headings present on your page into a neat and easily navigable list. Viewing your headings in the Outline tab gives you a clear picture of your content hierarchy, which can be especially useful when refining site design or troubleshooting header-related issues. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you now have all the information needed to access your headers in WordPress. This quick process will allow you to effectively manage your site structure and access key elements without unnecessary delay. Enjoy the enhanced control over your WordPress site, and remember that by regularly accessing and reviewing your headers, you can ensure your content remains well organized and easy to navigate.